Well, Barkha Singh of the Congress Party and Rahul Mehra of the Aam Aadmi Party. Let's get Barkha Singh on air. Sudhanshu Trivedi, national spokesperson of the BJP, and Hartosh Singh Bal, senior journalist. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know if I have the audio line through yet with Barkha Singh. So I will ask the first question, therefore, to Hartosh Singh Bal, and then I'll come to Barkha. Hartosh, do you think Arvind Kejriwal will go after Sheila Dikshit, and can he do that? You know, to sort of involve her in the corruption scams, which he has said she's accused of?
I don't see how he can avoid that. I mean, if you're going to look into the Commonwealth scam, if you're going to look at the CAG report, the name will come up. You will have to follow up on that.
Right.
And I think the onus will be on the Congress how they choose to respond. I think they are the ones in a fix.
Right. So Sudhanshu Trivedi, you think Mr. Kejriwal will go after Sheila Dikshit? Because he has in the past accused her of everything, you know, being a kingpin in everything from Commonwealth Games to her collusion with electricity companies, her involvement in the water scam, her involvement in the transport scam, and basically what Arvind Kejriwal has said is that Sheila Dikshit is a kingpin of all these scams. So do you think Sudhanshu Trivedi, now he will go after Sheila Dikshit despite being supported by the Congress?
First of all, I would like to say that as far as the BJP is concerned, our stand is clear and consistent.
Yeah.
It is the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party who have changed their stand.
How?
What they are going to do, it is for both the parties to decide. But as far as the track record of Aam Aadmi Party is concerned in the last 15 days, if you look, they have changed their stand 4 or 5 times. Initially, Aam Aadmi Party used to say that each and every leader of all the political parties are corrupt. Sabke sab beimaan hai.
Achha.
Even they used to the extent of saying that the entire parliament is corrupt.
Right.
Now what he's saying, 1 week back Mr. Kejriwal was saying, there are some honest people in the other party, they should come us. Then they said, we will never form the government. When they went to the LG, they said, give us time. Then they said, we will not take any support from any of the political parties.
Yeah.
Then they have formally written a letter for support.
Yeah.
Then they have said 18 things. Then they, instead of getting clearance, they went to public. So when they are keep on changing their stand every second day, I'm not pretty sure what they are going to do with the Congress party and others. So keeping the track record, I am having serious doubts.
You know what you can't do. Barkha Singh is on the line. I'm deliberately coming to you at the end, Rahul, so you listen to our points of view. You know, Barkha Singh ji, what you can't do. Can you hear me? This is Arnab here. You can hear me right now. Miss Barkha Singh, can you hear me?
Arnab.
Yeah. Great. Yeah, this is Arnab here. My question to you.
बहुत
अच्छा, आवाज नहीं आ रही है आपको?
जी बोलिए.
अच्छा, तो मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है, and I'll translate this in English and Hindi both. मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि आपने अभी सपोर्ट दे दिया आम आदमी पार्टी को, तो आम आदमी पार्टी अगले 90 दिनों में 7 स्कैम्स एक्सपोज करेंगी. In the next 90 days, they will expose 7 scams. I want you to tell me on Newshour tonight that even if these scams involve Ms. Sheila Dikshit or top Congress leaders, you will not withdraw support to the Kejriwal government. आप हमें आज बताइए कि अगर इन स्कैम्स में शीला दीक्षित या कोई बड़े कांग्रेस के दिग्गज नेताओं का नाम आए, तब भी आप अरविंद केजरीवाल की पार्टी से सपोर्ट विड्रॉ नहीं करेंगी. इसका आप गारंटी दीजिए आज हमारे प्रोग्राम पर.
बहुत बेबाक आंखों में ताल्लुक टिक नहीं पाते. मोहब्बत में कशिश रहने को शर्माना ज़रूरी है. जब हमने सपोर्ट दिया है तो कुछ सोच के ही दिया होगा, और हमारा सपोर्ट जारी है. जब हमने एक बार कह दिया कि आपको जो इन्होंने 18 पॉइंट लिख के दिए थे
जी,
उन 18 पॉइंट्स में से हमने 16 पॉइंट्स को राजी करके कि ये 16 पॉइंट्स आपके हैं, इनको आप करिए, आप सरकार बनाइए और आप लागू करिए, आपको जो करना है आप करिए. तो उसमें कहीं भी फिलहाल कोई वापसी का कोई भी हम
नो
लोगों का
नो
इरादा
बरका
नहीं
सिंह जी,
है।
बरका सिंह जी, आप यू आर बीइंग इनसिंसियर। आप इनसिंसियरिटी कैसे मैं कहूँ इसको हिंदी में, आप मुझे सीधा जवाब नहीं दे रही हैं। इसका कारण ये है कि जो 18 promises हैं, there are 16 of them, you say you support them, but many of these promises require Congress party and central government help. So Arvind Kejriwal will need the support, help of the Congress party at the center also. At that time you can't say no, but we never said we'll support you. We only said we will watch. आप सपोर्ट करने को सपोर्ट करें कि देखने के लिए सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं? जी
अर्णव, आप मुझे सुनिए। अभी कुछ भी कहना बहुत जल्दी होगी।
What do you mean?
हम लोग चाहते हैं ये सरकार बनाएं और जो जनता से इन्होंने प्रॉमिसेस किए हैं, जो वादे किए हैं, उनको पूरा करें। और ऐसा हमने कोई बात नहीं कही है कि 90 डेज में हम कुछ करने वाले हैं। हमने ये कहा है कि हम तो 5 साल तक भी ले जा सकते हैं, हम इसको 5 साल भी चला सकते हैं अगर ये गवर्नमेंट चलेगी तो। हमने कोई ऐसी बात नहीं कही
बिल्कुल कहा है,
90 डेज
बिल्कुल कहा है। आपके दिल्ली के कांग्रेस के चीफ अरविंदर सिंह लवली ने कहा है कि सरकार 3 महीने तक भी नहीं चल सकती है, हो सकता है। जी, उन्होंने कहा है। एनीवे
लवली जी ने ही ये बात कही है कि अगर ये चलाएंगे तो हम 5 साल तक 5 साल
you be specific with me. No, Miss Barka Singh, let us be very specifically कहिए ताकि मैं आम आदमी पार्टी से रिस्पांस मांग सकूं। Will you make sure that the central
केजरीवाल जी से
नहीं, सोनिया गांधी और राहुल गांधी को पैसा देना चाहिए दिल्ली के सरकार को। 3,500 करोड़ रुपए का घाटा होगा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी रेट्स कम करने में। There will be a loss of 3,500 crores if power tariff is brought down by 50%. So you tell me that you will support them in that. Will you support them or not support them?
बिल्कुल, जब हमने सपोर्ट करने का दे दिया है प्रॉमिस, तो हम सपोर्ट करेंगे।
आप सपोर्ट करेंगे? So so that's a fairly good commitment, isn't it, Rahul Mehra? That you are going to get not just moral support, but if required financial support from the Congress party to implement the promises which you have enumerated. That's fairly solid actually, I think, coming from Barka Singh.
बिल्कुल हमारी पार्टी का ये स्टैंड है और हम पार्टी से बिल्कुल पार्टी लाइन पे है कि पार्टी का स्टैंड है, हम सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं तो कर रहे हैं।
जी, राहुल मेहरा, you take that at face value?
Arnab, frankly, I would love to take everything what Ms. Singh is saying on face value, but the Congress party track record is such that if we go into the history, history speaks volumes about how minority governments are pulled down by an outside support of Congress party within months.
Right.
I just hope they create history like not before, but they write a new chapter in their past checkered history by supporting this government. And what is this government going to do, Arnab? We have made very clear in those 18 points. We have said that we will go after those who have committed corruption. Now, if you want to say that you are the only ones who were corrupt and you start reacting to that statement, that means you very well know who the corrupt people are. I don't think it's been directed to either Congress or BJP. All we said was that corrupt politicians will not be spared. Number two, what is the manifesto, Arnab? The manifesto talks about various things which various manifestos of other political parties also talk about. If they are going to not allow us...
Rahul, I have no doubt that the Aam Aadmi party was talking of the Congress party primarily through the entire election campaign, at every opportunity, every rally, every mohalla sabha. Am I right or wrong, Hartosh? Did the Aam Aadmi party not always say that the Commonwealth Games scam, the Shunglu committee, Sheila Dikshit's role in electricity companies and collusion, Sheila Dikshit Congress party role in water scam, Sheila Dikshit Congress party role in transport scam? At that time, I think 90% of your attention on the issue of corruption was aimed at the Congress party. Today, Rahul, you are speaking a different tune. Hartosh, change of line? I'm not...
No,
well, Arnab, I think...
No, all I'm saying, Arnab, just allow me.
They might have...
No, what's Hartosh? What do you see?
Maybe Rahul is trying to be realistic, but quite clearly the whole aim of the election campaign was directed at the Congress. The popular support they reaped was because of the resentment against the corruption on exactly these issues of corruption. Today to say that it was aimed at all political parties, fair enough, but the point is it was clearly the Congress which was the target of the rhetoric.
Absolutely. And so now people will see what you can do vis-a-vis the Congress party. But Rahul, you don't have the power to do anything because the Delhi police is not under you. The CBI is not under you. You see, all you can do is set up a judicial commission of inquiry as chief minister. And you know that amounts to nothing. So are you making false promises?
I think, Arnab, I think you are preempting and assuming a lot of things. We haven't even yet taken positions in office, and you're assuming that we will not be able to do simply because we don't have the power out there.
You tell me today
we have given a promise,
what investigative mechanism do you have?
Allow me to make my point, please.
What investigative
please, Arnab,
mechanism does the Delhi government have at its disposal?
If you allow me, I'm putting my point through. Arnab, I'm coming straight away to that. Please allow me, have some patience.
Right.
We have talked about a Jan Lokayukt bill, Arnab. And within that Jan Lokayukta bill, which we are going to be tabling the moment we come into power,
right,
and we are going to make all our sincere efforts, and I hope both the political parties to whom we have written about it that we intend to do this, and they haven't really, one has given unconditional support which keeps on changing every day. The other has said constructive support.
Nobody's given you unconditional support.
So I hope
only you think
constructive support of BJP would also mean that sending. Well, they are changing every day. We don't know what their support is all about.
No, why are you taking their support if you don't know what the support is about? Why are you taking their
what support was?
No, why?
What I'm saying is, what I'm saying is the Jan Lokayukt bill.
No, 1 second.
What I'm saying is,
why are you taking their support? Is this a you don't know what this? Why are you taking this? Why would you want to take the support of somebody who doesn't make it clear what that support is based on? Is this politics about serving the people, or is this about playing a game of cards? I thought this is about actually doing something, right? Not about outfoxing each other.
Not at all.
Either you are in this game to outfox each other. I fear you are in the game to outfox each other.
So Arnab, may I?
Yeah.
Do I have the opportunity to say?
Yeah.
What I want to?
Yeah.